Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space *** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32/config/regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old. Then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.